Want to use Zelle but don't have a bank account? It's a common question, and the answer isn't what you might think. Can you even do it? Well, here's the short and honest answer. You can't enroll in Zelle without a bank account. Prohibited Zelle is designed to be a service that works directly with your financial institution. It's a core part of their infrastructure, not a standalone payment app like Venmo or Cash App. How it actually works. When you use Zelle, the money goes straight from your bank account to the recipients. It doesn't sit in a separate digital wallet. This is what makes it so fast. Transactions between enrolled users typically happen in minutes. Think of it like a digital bridge between two bank accounts. The main Zelle app exists primarily for people whose banks don't have Zelle built directly into their own banking app. But even then, you still need to link it to a US-based checking or savings account. The debit card exception. Now, there is one very narrow exception you might hear about. If your bank isn't a Zelle partner, you can use the standalone Zelle app. This app requires you to link a Visa or MasterCard debit card that's associated with a US-based bank account. So, you're not getting around the bank account requirement, you're just using a different method to link to it. You cannot use a credit card, a prepaid card from an international bank, or a debit card from a bank that isn't a Zelle partner. Why you can't go without a bank account? The reason for this is all about security and compliance. Zelle's direct bank-to-bank model is what makes it so secure. It relies on the established security protocols of banks to protect your money. By needing a verified bank account, it also helps prevent fraud and meets financial regulations. So, while it might seem like an inconvenience, it's actually what keeps Zelle a safe and reliable option for millions of people. So, if you're looking to use Zelle, the first step is to get a checking or savings account. After that, enrolling is quick and easy. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.